And Jim Beglin.
Hi Peter, it's great to be here.
Well, colour and passion just oozing from the stands here. These fans love their football, and we're about to be dished up a feast of it. We have already started here. Manchester United have gone with a 4-5-1, Jim.
Well, most teams that use this system, Peter, will work it in a way where, yes, they'll have a 4-5-1 shape off the ball, and ideally a 4-3-3 shape on it. We often see that 4-1-4-1 shape too, and that has an obvious flexibility about it. It's a popular managerial selection because of that. It's just extremely flexible with all the numbers I've mentioned.
Oh, now here's an interesting matchup. Well, it's fair to presume, I suppose, that Lionel Messi will, as almost always, Jim, be carrying a huge burden of expectation here.
Yeah, but it won't bother him at all, Peter. He just delivers without fail time and time again, and often in a way only he can.
Absolutely. So I wonder what the little magician will have in store for us today.
Well, all I shall say is expect the unexpected.
Rijkaard. Played out towards the right wing. Mbappe. Nicely weighted ball. Donnarumma claims comfortably. Pretty cagey early on from both sides. Saka. Swung over. Has a look and plays it forward. Looking for the run. And he has slightly undercooked that one.
They should have done a lot better there.
Vinicius Junior! Oh, split-second reaction.
Really looked sharp there, didn't he? That's very well played.
He's looking wide. Now it's Vinicius Junior. Oh, that is asking for trouble. Now then, the ball's come loose. So it is still 0-0. Well, that's been cut out, well played. Saka. He's had a fair tumble under that challenge. Lewandowski. Rijkaard. That's a cute ball. Nice interception. His positioning was spot on. And they're not going to make any further progress now. Mbappe. Now it's Lewandowski. Pedri.
You can never be short of runners into space, as long as the space left behind is filled.
He's shifting through, takes a shot! It's loose now and they want to get it back. He's gone for goal! And he has kept it out somehow.
Yeah, he was well placed to deal with that.
Quality ball. This looks promising. Mbappe goes for a shot! Goal! Poland! It is a good finish. The odds were against him. Little matter.
Well, he had to deal with an awful lot of unwanted attention, but his tenacity won the day.
Real chance! Oh, taken with style! And they're at it again in double quick time. That really is quite fabulous. All his own doing.
Well, from the moment he got involved, he looked as if he'd go all the way. Terrific.
Poland are now luxuriating in a two-goal lead.
To be expected, Peter. They've gone and stepped it up, something they've been threatening to do and will continue to do by the looks of it.
Costa Curta. Poland looking to pass their way through. Poland have hit a quick-fire double here and are well and truly in the driving seat.
Bellingham really needed to concentrate on protecting the ball. Then again, he was being very closely marshalled.
Lewandowski. Pedri. Over to the left. Knocks it into space. Oh, no joy this time. But it is clear to see that he is not at all happy with that.
Yeah, he just didn't seem to get enough on the pass, Peter, did he?
Kukçu. It's a really well-measured ball. And this is Lewandowski. Raul. Oh, the ball's run loose here. Vinicius Junior. Oh, he's going to be disappointed with that. Poland looking forward to the break after some very good work in the first 45 minutes. Well, the ball just didn't work out for the run that he made.
Well, I think the opposition saw that pass coming a mile off, and it wasn't the best decision.
Now it's Mbappe. Rijkaard did just about enough to come out on top there. Neither party overly willing to compromise. Not the most accurate pass. And this is Lewandowski. Well seen, saw that coming.
That's great positioning, so good from him.
And again, they run up against stubborn defending. Vinicius Junior providing an outlet on that flank. Oh, that was vital. Kukçu.
That will annoy the manager. They're making themselves too predictable here.
Tries
There
from
will be 1
distance.
minute added time.
Oh, a very decent attempt. This possibly the last play of the half. They've played it short. And there's the shot! Oh, good effort, he got plenty on that.
Pedri brilliantly took control of that, which was exactly what the situation required.
And that is going to be the final action of the first half. What have we learned from the first 45 minutes?
Poland really did kick on after getting that first goal. Could they have gone another one and killed the game off completely? Possibly. But as long as they can keep up the intensity, maintain the purpose levels, I think they'll get another chance soon enough.
Poland are heading into the break, very happy with how it's gone so far.
Substitution for Manchester United. Number 20, Robert Lewandowski. Coming on the field.
The second half gets underway.
Number 21, Ukraine's. Substitution in progress.
Chance! And that is doing no harm at all. Poland different to some extent this half. Details of the changes to come soon.
Well, we're certainly going to see a change in personnel. We'll see if the system changes with it.
And that pass is somewhat less than ideal.
Manchester United clearly didn't help themselves by telegraphing that one. It was always going to be intercepted.
De Bruyne. And the pass is intercepted. Pedri. Can he get it through? Oh, good spread. No, it's come to nothing. Mbappe. And here's Yamal. Yamal going face-to-face with his great rival. That is good pressure, just hounded him off it. Oh, that is good. Super running, sharp move. And the finish! Oh, denied brilliantly.
Mbappe clearly thought he had the beating of the keeper.
This is their second corner of the game. And it's been taken short. Loose ball now, and there's a chase on to retrieve it. He's had a shot! Great strike, a test for the keeper.
Well, that always looked a little ambitious for me, but still, at least he had the confidence to take it on.
Vinicius Junior. Poland with this handy-looking 2-0 lead. They are looking comfortable. Nice try, but he wasn't buying it. Kukcu. Messi. Oh, well measured. And he cuts out the supply. And that's put paid to a promising move. Rijkaard. Poland perhaps contemplating their next change here. Nice looking ball. That's beautifully weighted. And that is as far as they're going to go. Pedri. And that interception was most necessary.
That was well played.
Can he finish? He's beaten the keeper, but hit the post. Now a droll. And it's Messi. Now, can they get him away? That is good alertness. De Bruyne. Threads one in.
Well, it's a move of great promise, but will it really prove productive?
Oh, that's neat. Fires it in low.
What an absolute shame. The composure and imagination to set himself free. He should be locked up after that.
Poland have their third corner. Beckenbauer plays it short. There's the shot! Oh, terrific save from the keeper.
Really anticipated that well, didn't he?
Saka. Opportunity for Beckenbauer. This might spell danger. And a chance! Oh, that was a brilliant save.
That's very, very good. You can't ask for much more than that.
Raul. No, again there's no way through. Yamal. Now it's Mbappe. Saka. A probing pass. He is through here. And that's been intercepted.
He read that really well and stopped it.
And it's De Bruyne. Good ball, good take. And De Bruyne! Yes! And the lead is extended still further. That was a given. It always was.
And the first thing he's going to do here, Peter, is thank his teammate for the pass. It put it on a plate for him.
Poland find a position of real strength now. Just a quarter of an hour to play. Mbappe, he's in a great position here. Pass somewhat off target. De Bruyne shifted it to the flank. De Bruyne. Messi. Can he get on the end of this? Can he latch on to this? Oh, that pass isn't the best. Pedri. Played out to the left flank. De Bruyne in acres of space out wide. Messi.
That's alert and sharp and very well played.
Now he's got space here. Pedri has been caught there, it's a foul. Oh, that's a booking, always looked it.
I just think it was a cheap foul to give away.
Substitution for Manchester United. Number 9.
So, time for changes
Mbappe.
on both sides,
Number
actually.
10, Messi. Number 7, Raul. Coming on the field.
Played back in.
Number
Little
8,
pass back.
Hazard.
Really got in his face.
He's tried one!
Number 19. Riders.
Poland are closing in on a comfortable win. Now it's Mbappe. Showing great feet there. He has found a way through. Hazard gets a foot in here. Hazard defending his corner stubbornly. Stood up very well to his man. Knocks it out wide. Out towards the flank. The final 5 minutes. Mohamed Salah. Manchester United are looking to break at pace. He's in plenty of space here. Mohamed Salah! Oh, just lacked a decent finish. Hazard. Oh, well played, well sorted out. Not too much more here than seeing out time, and time is very nearly seen out. De Bruyne. And the shot's on here. Oh, that's a fine interception. He can get that clear. 2 minutes to be added on. Saka. Ambitious ball here. Oh, that's clever. And he will tries a shot! And it's hit the woodwork and out! Opts to play it back. And that is as far as it goes. Poland looking by any yardstick formidable. Truly enjoyable to watch, and clearly so